Hello, so last week we made a stylized night sky and I said that this week we're going to be converting this to a HDRi, so that's what we're going to do today. So here we are in our scene. To start off, we're going to need a new camera and we're going to change its rotation to be 0 on the Z and Y and then set the X to be 90. Next, we're going to head into the data tab for our camera and change the camera type from perspective to panoramic. We're also going to change its panoramic type from fisheye to this one. Now we can see that our screen is repeating, but this scale doesn't work for us, so let's change this from 1920 by 1080 to 2048 by 1024. Now if we want a larger, more detailed version, we can just change the percentage here. I'm going to set mine to 500, which will give me a 5 times larger scale. Now we can hop up into render mode and we can change our samplings. For the sake of time, I'm going to set mine down to 24, and I'm also going to make sure that denoise is turned on. Now, something to note that I don't have any light sources in my scene, so my render won't capture directional lighting information. It'll only capture the soft glow coming off my clouds and moon because they're using emission nodes. Also, because this is such a large render, it's going to render multiple tiles. For me, that's 15. For you, it might be something different. Now we can save this. We can't save it as PNG. Now we can't save this as a PNG, so we're going to have to open up this tab here and change it to HDR so that it will save that correctly. Now that we have this saved, we can open up a new scene. Under the World tab, we can click the little yellow dot next to the colors and change it to Environment Texture and load in our HDRi. And now we can swap to render view and we can see it. And there we have it, a stylized HDRi. So next time that you make a nice landscape and sky, you know how to render this out into a HDRi so you can reuse it for other projects without having to remake it. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.